Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Something that doesn't get talked a lot about, policies and procedures. All the documents you need as you start your business and start building it and growing. All the documents, policies, procedures that you're going to need, from contracts to administration, office, all kinds of things. So I've got those available to you through a buddy of mine that has these all ready to go. Will save you a lot of time, will save you a lot of money in trying to recreate this, trying to reinvent the wheel when they're already ready. So stay tuned. I'm going to go over and show you what you can get, the price you can get, and it will, believe me, it will blow your mind, the price that you can get all of this stuff for. So stay tuned for that coming up next. Okay, guys, as you start building your business, there's going to be several forms, several documents that you're going to want to start instituting into your business. The thing that always happens as you build the business, start the business and start building the business, you just run across things that you go, oh man, I wish I had a document for that, or I wish I had a policy for this or a procedure for that or whatever. And so a good friend of mine, David DeRamo out of Florida, came out with what's called standard operating procedures a few years ago. I think I was probably one of the first ones to buy them, because looking at the documents that were available, it was a no-brainer to save myself just a ton of time. Trying to create all these documents would just take, forever. One person just working on it. It would take quite a bit of time. So these are available on my school website, and I'm going to show you that in a little bit. But I did want to go over and let you see what you get in this package. These are sent to you via a Dropbox link. You've got all kinds of forms, policies, procedures, from administration forms, office, operations. You've got safety, you've got contracts, and then you've got some other forms, and there's templates here too that will help you out as well. But for instance, in administration, and I may have to be moving the screen a little bit so all this fits, and I apologize for that. I know it might get a little annoying, and you can probably hear my mouse. So I apologize that for in advance. But you've got like standard operating policy procedures, ethics and conduct. You've got workplace violence, harassment, sexual harassment. These are all type, in-office type things that you would use for new employees, employee file, uniform policies, disciplinary actions, just all kinds of things that you would need as you begin your business and as you grow your business. So you may not use every one of these forms at the beginning, but man, just to have them and put them into place when they're needed, so you don't have to sit down and try to create something like this, is just a huge time saver and saves you a lot of money. Then you've also got like office documents. These here, let's go back to this. This is the office section. There's, it's code number 200. Doesn't mean there's 200 documents in there, but you've got weekly office cleaning. You've got an email policy, a phone policy, how to answer the phone. I'll click on this one, let you see this. When answering the phone, again, I have to move this so you can see it. Just all of this kind of stuff is great for training. It's great for procedures, all of that kind of stuff. Then you've also got, let's move this back over, safety, roof cleaning safety, ladder safety, PPE, traffic hazards, on and on and on it goes. Under contracts, you've got a service agreement contract. You've got unsolicited proposals, just all kinds of contractual things that you could use in your business. Notice to residents and tenants, roof cleaning warranty. If you wanted to have a warranty, you could use something like that. Let's go back over to where the main, if I can find it. Let's see here. There it is. So contracts. This is a relatively low price. I think it's like $250, $275. You get all of these. It's called the economy package. When it first came out, he was making available where he would watermark them, and it was like 2 or 3 times the price. He'd watermark them with your logo, and that's what I got. I don't recommend that. You're spending more money to have your logo on there when you can put your logo on these forms if you need to or want to yourself as you use them. So these are not like forms that you're going to use every single one of them at the beginning. You're going to go through and pick and choose what you want in contracts. The service agreement or the unsolicited proposal, a recurring service document contract, the roof cleaning service agreement. So you may not use all of these at first, but as you institute them and start using them, then you can just add your logo where you want to. I don't necessarily think you have to watermark them. I think just pasting your logo into these somewhere is fine. That's what I would do if I was buying this today. So this is a great price. What I'm going to do is do a YouTube live with David, hopefully sometime next week. We'll get him on StreamYard on YouTube, and then you guys can ask questions in the chat box, and he can answer some questions. And also, if I've said something that may not be totally accurate as far as the price or whatever, then he can straighten that out too. But the way you can get those, and we're probably going to have a discount code too. The discount code, once we institute it, will be SOP21. How's that? SOP21. So once we get that established on my school website where you can go buy these, it'll maybe save you a little bit of money. But I'll talk to David about that and make sure that we can do that. So these are just all kinds of forms that you can use in your business. I would highly, highly recommend that you get these. David can get these to you once he gets the order. Usually within a couple of hours he sends them. Now, if he's out with his family that evening, it may be the next day. I always give him 24, 48 hours, but he's pretty responsive. Once you place your order, I send him a message and with your email address, and he turns around and emails these pretty quick to you. I think there's a non-disclosure statement you have to sign that you're not going to share these out with anybody, and you wouldn't want to do that anyway because you're paying good money for these. So keep these to yourself. You don't want to share these out and give these to other people. Legally, you really can't do that because, again, you have to sign a non-disclosure, I'm pretty sure. So let's go over to my website. I'll show you where you can order these. If you go to Biz Development on pressurecleaningschool.com, that's my website. You've got here the About Us monthly classes. This talks about my online school. If you wanted to join as an individual, or if you have a company and want to use it for training companies. Sorry, getting a shameless plug in here. But you go to the Biz Development tab up top here. Go down to Doug's Link Deals, and I've actually moved this to the top. And if you come over here, you'll see Economy Pack. You see this says $250 to $550. So what you would want to do is just choose the economy package, which I think is $250. Come to here, choose economy, and then add it to your cart. And it'll take you to the PayPal and all that where you pay for everything. So that's how you would get to these, to purchase these. If you wanted to go ahead and purchase them today, you can do that. If you want to wait for the discount code, you can do that as well. But highly, highly recommend, just come to Doug's Link Deals. Doug's Link Deals tab. That's basically a place where I have the things that I buy and use. A lot of the stuff is off of Amazon. Ladders the ladder stabilizer, reusable respirator, glass cleaner, tape, shields, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, if you just come down, click on Doug's Link Deals, hit that economy package, that's where you'll be able to purchase it. Okay. Hope this has been helpful for you guys. Be sure to leave a question, comment, like, and then share this out with other folks other contractors you think you may know. Send this video to them if it could help them out as well. I think it's one of the best things that you can do for your business, so you have all of these documents together. It's basically at a click of a mouse, you've saved yourself hours and hours and hours. Well, the click of a mouse and $200-something, hours and hours of trying to create these documents that you're going to need for your business. So thanks for watching. Be sure, again, leave a like, leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe. That way you get notifications whenever I come out with videos that could help you. Y'all have an awesome let's see here. Y'all have an awesome day.